Research has shown that a large, varied, and often refreshed collection of books in the classroom is a vital ingredient in improving reading performance. Remember, your library's collection should evolve as the year goes on and your curriculum changes. Changing your library selection as the year goes on gives you the opportunity to observe your children making smart choices about selecting books that are a good fit for them and that allow them to explore and expand their interests. Research has also demonstrated that access to self-selected books improves children's reading performance.
I got the best cake at the fair. We said, let's have some cake. Let's have some said.